Hello, I'm Jewel Hudson. In this video, I'll guide you through creating and managing widgets in the Webex Events app. Once created, you can share them with your website developers, partners, or anyone associated with the promotion of your event. Creating widgets within Webex Events saves time and effort when promoting an event on a website outside Webex Events, and you don't even need to know HTML coding to create them. You'll be amazed at how easy it really is. Widgets are a great way to drive registration by giving unregistered site visitors an idea of what to expect from an event. Embed an event widget to highlight key speakers and sessions, give top sponsors a shout-out, and more. There is a lot to take into consideration when creating widgets, so be sure to download the Using Embeddable Content Widgets for Events job aid from the Webex Events Academy website to help you prepare. In the navigation bar on the left side of the window, click Event App, then Promote. Select Widgets from the Promote submenu. Webex Events Event App Widgets provide the HTML code for view-only content to be displayed on an external website. A detail modal displays when a widget item is clicked. The amount of information displayed depends on the widget type. As settings change on the widget setup, the widget code changes. These widgets are independent of each other, meaning it's okay to create multiple widgets for the same feature. The process of creating widgets is the same regardless of which feature is chosen, and the settings between features vary. In this demonstration, I'll create a speaker's feature widget, and then I'll cover managing the other widget settings. For more information on setting up features, watch the videos in the Creating an Event playlist on the Webex Events YouTube channel. Click the New Widget button and select the feature type from the drop-down list. If there are multiple widgets created for the same feature, update the widget name to avoid confusion. For example, if a sponsor wants to promote only their own speakers, you might name it something like Speakers Sponsored by Socio. To add speakers, click the Add Speakers button and click the checkbox next to the speakers to add. If there is a long list of speakers, use the search field located in the upper right corner of the modal to filter the list by typing part or all of a name. When you're done selecting speakers, click the Add Speakers button. To change the list order, click and drag the 6-dot cluster to the right of the speaker. If a speaker is accidentally added, remove them by clicking the 3-dot icon and selecting Remove. When done adding and reordering speakers, click the Save Changes button. After creating the widget, manage the widget to adjust what's included or excluded in the code. Refer to the information on the job aid gathered from the person in charge of the external website. To manage the widget, click the 3-dot icon and select Preview. Select or deselect widget settings to adjust how the information displays. Choose whether to display the header, Show Background controls the chosen item's background transparency, which displays the website background instead of a solid white or black background. Choose whether to display the name of the widget. The layout of the widget is controlled by the Widget View radio buttons. Use the Enable Dark Mode toggle to match the theme of the event app or external website. When done adjusting settings, click the Save Changes button. It's important to note that the Agenda widget has different settings. The Agenda widget has the option to show or hide tracks and speakers, and doesn't have the widget view settings. To copy the widget code, click on the widget code on the preview page, or click the Copy Widget Code button on the Widgets page. Paste the code into the communication to the person in charge of the external website. For more information on event app widgets, review the End Event App Content with Widgets knowledge base article.